this video, we will cover syncing a key fob, accessing the menus, and editing prices with the FLR5-400 communication kit. The FL-5000 displays use a communication kit called FLR5-400, which includes a key fob to configure and update the display. This key fob communicates with a radio receiver installed inside the display cabinet. You can identify the location by finding the antenna mounted on the outside of the cabinet with the radio receiver. If this is a first-time install, you will want to set up and sync the key fob. You may want to set a unique address to prevent unauthorized control of the display. To do this, remove the small cover on the back of the FLR5-400 key fob. Using a paper clip or a micro screwdriver, set the switches 1 through 8 to a unique setting. Make note that switch 9 and switch 10 are not used and have no effect. Once setting, replace the back cover. Now you are able to pair the key fob with the display. The display only needs to be paired once, and it will remember the key fob. However, should the security dip switches change, the key fob can be paired again after any power cycle. Please make note that if these steps are not completed, the display will not recognize or respond to the key fob. So to sync the key fob, turn the power on to the display. And within 5 minutes of powering on the display, press and hold the plus and minus keys at the same time. When you see 2 LEDs flashing on each module, the key fob is paired with the display. You can then release the buttons, and you are now able to communicate with the display. Now, let's get started on accessing the available menu items. Make note that the cash, credit, or message options are only available on the models shown here. To do this, press and hold both the Alt and Edit keys until the display is blank and the menu items start to appear. From there, use the arrow keys to cycle through the available menu items. These include Content, Dimming, Cycling, Configure, and Diagnostics. Once knowing what menu item you are wanting to change or edit, press the green check mark on the key fob to see its submenus. While in that submenu, you can press the red X to return to the previous menu at any time. Now let's cover how to edit prices. To do this, press and hold the Edit key for 3 seconds to enter the price edit mode. The decimal will blink on the price to be edited. Use the plus and minus keys to adjust the active price up and down. Holding the key will slowly increase the speed at which the price changes. Next, use the arrow keys to move between prices. The blinking decimal will move accordingly to the price being edited. Make note that if the display is configured for more than one frame, the arrow keys will move through all prices within a frame and then move to the next frame. Once selecting the price that you would like, press the checkmark key or the X key to update the prices. The decimal will stop blinking and the price edit mode will automatically exit after 30 seconds with no keys pressed. And that wraps up the FLR5-400 communication training. For additional resources, please reference daktronics.com/support.